So what is the make money by the selling? There are many ways to make money by the selling. Here are a few ideas. The number one is sell your own products or the service. This is the most common way to make money by the selling. You can sell physical products such as the handmade jewelry or the bank goods, or you can sell digital products such as ebooks or the online courses. The second thing is become a reseller. This means buying product from one source and selling them to another at a higher price. You can do this online or in one person. That is the third thing is the dropshipping. This is a type of the reselling where you don't actually have to carry an inventory. When your customer makes a purchase, you simply place an order with the suppliers and they ship the products directly to the customer. And the fourth thing is the affiliate marketing. This is a type of marketing where you can earn a commission for each sales that you can generate. You can promote product or the service on your website, blogs or the social media, more channels. The four things you can complete, and the last is selling advertising space. If you have a website or the blog with a large audience, you can sell advertising space to business. And no matter which method you choose, it is important to your research and find a product or service that people are willing to buy. You also need to make sure that you price your product or service competitively. Here are some of the pros and the cons of making money by the selling. That is, you can see the pros. The potential for high profit, ability to work from home, flexibility to set your own hours. That is the con. The number one is risk of failure. And second thing, competition from other sellers. And third thing is time and the effort required to manage sales. If you are consider making money by the selling, it is important to weigh the pros and the cons carefully. You should also make sure that you have the time and the resource to invest your business. Here are some of the things to keep in mind when making money by the selling. Do your research. That thing, before you start the selling, it's important to do your research and understanding the market. This includes understanding what products or the service are in demand, who your target customers are, and what your competitors are doing. And set your goals. It's important to set your clear goals for your business. This will help you stay focused and motivated. And create a marketing plan, a wonderful marketing plan. A marketing plan will help you research your target customers and generate sales and provide excellent customer service. Excellent customer service is essential for any business. It will help you build customer loyalty and a repeat business. Making money by selling can be a great way to generate income and achieve your financial goals. However, it is important to your research, set your clear goals and create a marketing plan. With hard work and the dedication, you can be successful in selling. Thank you so much for watching this wonderful and amazing video, Make Money by the Selling.